Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to order with Temu. Ordering with Temu is super easy and hassle-free, so let's walk through the process step by step. The first step is to browse for products, and to do that, just open the Temu app or website depending which device you're using. And after you open the app, use the search bar or browse categories to find products you like. As you can see, there are lots of categories from applications, electronics, women, men, home, sports, jewelry, kids, etc. Or you can use the search bar if you want. And I'm gonna search for a phone case, like this phone case Samsung, for example. Now, after you find the product to view, tap on it to view its details, including price, reviews, and shipping options. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of trouble with the internet connection. As you can see here, this is the description of the products. These are the comments and the reviews here. Now, once you tap on the product and review it, add the item to your cart. Now select the desired quantity or relevant. Sorry, I'm just gonna connect. As I said before, once you've found the product, select the desired quantity and size. Let's go back to the app. Let's add to cart right here. Select which compatible model, the color, etc. and tap add to cart. Now you need to have an account to add to your cart. The third step is to proceed to checkout. And to do that, just go to your cart by tapping the cart icon. See here. As you can see, it asks me to create an account since I didn't yet, to access the cart. After that, review the items on your cart to ensure they're correct and to tap proceed to checkout. After that, enter shipping informations by filling in your delivery address accurately, including contact details. This ensures timely delivery. And choose a payment method. You can select from options like credit, debit cards, PayPal, or Temu credits. Temu securely process all payments. And for the final step is to confirm your order. Review your order summary one last time, including shipping costs, and tap place order. And you will receive an order confirmation via email or app notification. Double check product size, colors and quantities before confirming your order, and look for promo codes or discounts to save money. And use Temu credits if you have them, as they can reduce your payment amount. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you order with Temu. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.